I find myself overthinking and very anxious when someone asks me to make a decision quick at work. Is there something that I can do to make it easier and less daunting for me? Yes, there is. There's a lot you can do. One of the things that you can do is learn how to make good decisions. And hello, Clifford. Are you saying hello? Clifford! Is to make good decisions. And the good decisions come from knowing what's authentic to you as a person, knowing what's harmonious to both you and the people around you, knowing that what's actually accurate, what's actually, a correct way, what's actually true. And then finally knowing what's the most effective way to do something. So when you go to make a decision, try and make sure that you're fitting all those 4 aspects in there. Now, the challenge will be that if you're going to be, at work and they're trying to force you to make a decision quickly, ask them, whoever they are, is this a matter of life and death? And if it is, then make a decision quickly, as good a decision as you possibly can. If it's not, ask them, how long, can you give me a couple of minutes? Can you give me 10 minutes? Can you give me half an hour? Can you give me a couple of days to come up with the best answer possible for this? And then if they do, then then you can just go ahead and try to do those, to get those 4 qualifying questions answered. Is it authentic to me? Is it harmonious for other people and myself included? Is it accurate? Is it actually true? And finally, is it the most effective thing to do? And if you get a chance to do that, then that's fine. If you don't, for whatever reason, then just try and take a step back. Even 30 seconds generally doesn't make a big difference to the whole project. Just say, hey, I'm an introvert. Can I just think about this for 30 minutes? Is that all right? And usually people just say yes, you can have 30 seconds. And just remember with that you will get better at making decisions the more you make those decisions. And so don't expect yourself to get it perfect straight away. Sambo, can you please stop interfering with my recording? Thank you, you're very good. So you want to make sure that you are prepared to fail forward, that you're not going to be, getting pushed into thinking that you should be perfect already at this when you haven't even heard of the 4 different decision-making criteria before. So just be super clear that what's actually happening is that you can fail forward, you can keep learning all the time, you can just get better at whatever you're doing. So that's what I would say. And if you don't know where to start, if you kind of go like, just one moment, because I may have a situation here. I have 2 horses and 1 dog, and it might get ugly. Go on. Thank you for your patience. So if you don't know where to start, head on over to mariasumilov.com and check out the 4 People Within course, because that is actually a course that has been designed to help you make good decisions in life. I wrote that course initially because I wanted my parents to have had I wrote a tool that I wish my parents would have had when I was a child. So it helps you make good decisions. It really teaches you what the different parts of you are, where all your strengths lie, where your challenges lie, what you need to learn and where you need to go in order to do all those things and to do them well. Give yourself a permission to fail forward, because you'll always keep learning new things. All right, so I hope that answers that question. I just want to say, just a little reminder that if you found this content helpful, you can find it in this group, you can find it in YouTube, just share it with people. Because what might happen is that somebody else who's struggling with the same things that you're struggling with might just see a video and go, oh my goodness, I can now start going forward. So also I'd like you to comment. What did you find helpful? Did you find it helpful what we talked about? Or what specifically was there? And just, let anybody in your life know who's struggling right now that we have an amazing and supportive community that's proactive and very much personal development oriented, where we come and we develop ourselves in a safe environment, let them know. Come on and join one of our Facebook groups. So thanks again for watching today, and I will see you at the next week's Q&A. Take care.